Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? I hope all of you are good, fine and fit. Today I'm going to show you very stylish, gorgeous, beautiful and stunning pixie haircut ideas. You will get amazing ideas and styling looks. These styles are very awesome and ideal, especially for summer season. If you are a business girl or a woman, then these ideas will help you a lot to look gorgeous. You will get classy and amazing ideas for your hair looks. By watching this video, you will get very unique and different haircut ideas. You will get amazing ideas in this video and hair colors as well. You can choose hairstyle and hair color according to your choice. I must suggest you to watch this video till the end so you will get amazing ideas for your hair. This is very trendy and beautiful haircut ideas for those women who wanted to look gorgeous and different. These ideas are very unique and very different. My dear friends, I always try to bring very useful and unique content for you. If you like my video, then please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family members and on your different social accounts. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will get the notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Keep connecting to my channel and keep supporting me by subscribing my channel and sharing it to your friends. Don't forget to give me your feedback in comments section and subscribe my channel as well. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.